Hi friends, in the last class we learned about the invitation, formal invitation and informal invitation. Today's class we are going to learn about the poster, how to do a poster. So my dear friends and audience and viewers, please watch this complete video, then you may get many solutions for your questions. Right? Thank you. So now we proceed to the poster. Here the poster which is published by, poster is nothing which is published by an official or maybe a personal, individual or a group of people. Like here the poster also there are two type of posters are there. One is a formal poster and second one is the informal poster. So same like invitation, this is poster is also identical like an invitation. So here in the formal poster, generally it is prepared by schools, organizations or government offices or maybe a group of people. But whereas informal poster is nothing but I, me, myself, like my family members or my youth members, all those things comes under the informal poster. Right, same like the invitation, here the poster also have some rules. So the rules to make a better poster, the first one is that you need to have a heading called poster, and second one title, and third one if you have any quotations you can write the quotations or quotes, and fourth one published by is must, published by is must, and fifth one color and lines. Like these 5 points carries an important role to make a better poster. Like my dear friends, today we discuss this class, we discuss about this poster. In the first one is that the formal poster. See here, I kept it in called poster. Then afterwards I wrote the title of the poster, snake bites, what to do. Then afterwards what I have to do, that's called do's. 1, 2, 3, 4 points, do's are there. You write the like point wise. Next one is don't, what I should not do, like don'ts point wise, 1, 2, 3, 4 point wise. Then afterwards the snake bites, a relevant picture to the snake bites I need to draw here, like with the pencil, just with shading with the pencil. Last we need to write the published by, since this type of things will be published by the government, so I do write published by government of, it may be Telangana or it may be Andhra Pradesh. Or maybe whatever the government, you can write the government name. So here the rules, again first one poster and second one title snake bites, and third one quotations. If you want to write any quotation, you have to be careful when you walk in the dark. So it may be a proper quotation. Be careful when you walk in the dark. Then afterwards you have to write the do's, 1, 2, 3, 4 points will do, and don'ts also 4 points will do. After that published by. Since it is a formal poster, you can use the very less and official colors, very official colors. Don't color the entire poster, just have an official. Okay, that is about the formal and official poster. Now we are moving to the informal poster. Like it is also should be have a heading poster. And see, this is a Vinayak Chavati celebrations time, so you can have a Vinayak Chavati celebrations heading. Then here middle of the poster you can write the Vinayaka, you can draw the Vinayaka picture. Then these are your friends and your friends pictures or youth members pictures you can write. Then you can write the address Shivam Road and it is published by the youth. So published by youth. Okay, for this you can have any color choice yours, it can be very bright. But whereas for the formal poster, it should be completely official. For the informal poster, you can be very bright. So this is the topic of the poster. So my dear friends, I want to revise once again. Like we need to follow some rules and regulations. The first thing is that you need to use a fresh page to do the poster or invitation. In the fresh page, draw the margins. Then you have to keep the heading poster. Then the title of the poster. Then if the quotation is required, keep the quotation. Then if it is official poster, you need to write the do's, don'ts and all those things based on the format, based on the topic. If it is unofficial, you can use more vibrant colors and bright colors Whereas for the formal poster, you can use official colors. But don't forget to write published by at the end of the poster. So published by, if it is informal, you can write published by youth, maybe yourself, you can write. But if it is a formal, you have to write published by the government, or published by some school, published by some government high school, or maybe an NGO, or maybe an organization, or maybe a hotel. All these things we can write. So my dear friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you like, please share, subscribe and comment it. Thank you. Your Sudhakar signing off.